and welcome to Verde at Home. So you brought a plant home and now you need to pot it. Well, today's video is all about potting a plant. The first thing you want to start off with is some good quality soil. We like ProMix because it has the right amount of nutrients for your plant to keep it happy and healthy for months to come. The next thing you want to make sure is that you have the right size plant pot for your plant. This is a 4-inch pot, so we're going to put in a 5-inch terracotta. Generally 1 to 2 inches up is a good amount of room to go for a pot size. This 8-inch terracotta pot is much too big. The next thing you want to do is take the plant that you're repotting and gently massage the pot. This will help loosen the soil and the roots so that removing it from the pot is easier. So now we'll gently pull it out. If you're having some struggles with this, just massage it a little bit more to loosen it. You want to have a base of soil at the bottom of your pot, just a couple inches. This will ensure that when you pop your plant in, it doesn't sink to the bottom and it's at an appropriate level. So just popping my plant in there. I'll just give you a couple pointers at this point. When you're adding the extra soil, you want to make sure that you're leaving some room between the top of the soil and the top of the pot. So generally I recommend about half an inch or like a fingernail's length of room so that when you water your plant it doesn't overflow. And the other tip that I have for you is don't pack down too tightly. If you put too much pressure on the roots, it can cause a lot of stress on the plant, cause damage, and cause a harder time for the roots to grow. So just be gentle with packing down. I'm going to go ahead and add some soil around the plant. You just want to hold the plant back so you don't get too much soil in it, and add it to all the crevices. And rotate your pot as you go along so that it's evenly distributed. It's also pretty good to go ahead and sniff the soil. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, as it does. Soil does have bacteria in it that mimics the effects of Prozac, so you'll be left feeling happier than when you started repotting your plant. So now that I have the soil in there, I'll just gently press it down a little bit, just to keep the plant sturdy in the pot. And if you can see, I do have about an inch fingernails amount of room between the top of the soil and the top of the pot. And now my plant is happy in its new home and ready to grow. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.